This is Jasmine and we are solving question 199 today. The question says last month 15 homes were sold in town X. The average arithmetic mean sale price of the homes was $150,000 and the median sale price was $130,000. Based on this information, which of the following statements must be true? Here underline this, that it must be true. That we are looking for the possibilities which are true in every scenario. Alright, let's look at the first statement. It says that at least one of the homes was sold for more than $165,000. Okay, let me consider these spaces as homes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now they have said that the average is $150,000. That means the sum of selling price of all the 15 homes must be 15 times $150,000, and that should give you $225,000. That means $250,000 it should be. All right. They have also given one more information that the median price was $130,000. Median has to be the 8th house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this price has to be $130,000. Below this, every price has to be less than or equal to $130,000, and above this has to be greater than or equal to $130,000. Now they have said that at least one of the homes was sold for more than 165, and 165 is going to fall on the right hand side of the equation. That means somewhere here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider the highest price the first 7 house can take. The highest price that they can take is $130,000. So that means each one of them was $130,000. Okay, assume that $130,000 each of them, because they cannot cross 130 because 130 is the median. And the remaining all which are above 130, take all those numbers as $165,000. All of them. Okay, now let's find out the sum. The sum is going to be 7 times, because these are the 7 houses whose price is 130. So I will write down 7 times $130,000 plus the 8th house itself is $130,000, and plus the remaining 7 are $165,000. What would be the sum? The sum is going to be 13 sevens are 91, $10,000 plus this $130,000 plus 7 multiplied by 165. I think it will give you $1,155,000. Add them all. What does it give you? That will give you $2,195,000. Now this is the sum we have got when I assume that the price of the first 7 houses were $130,000 and the price of the next 7 houses were, the last 7 houses were $165,000, and we got the sum as $2,195,000. But what was the actual sum? The actual sum should be $2,250,000 because the average was 150. And the sum that we have got is $2,195,000, which is definitely less than this. This is definitely less than this. That means there's still some amount pending that they can distribute, or that means these numbers can be increased further, because they are all $165,000, so they can be increased by a certain number to get the same average, same sum as $2,250,000. So based on this, I can say that the first statement must be true. Let's look at the second statement. Second statement says that at least one of the homes was sold for more than 130 and less than $150,000. You don't even need to think of any other scenario. The first scenario that we have considered for the first statement, it's right in front of your eyes. Let's think about it. Do you see any number which is more than 130 and less than 150? No. So that means this statement is not true. Second statement, at least one of the homes was sold for less than 130. Consider the same scenario again. Do we have a home price which is less than 130? No. So this scenario is gone. Always remember, when it comes to must be true, that means in all the scenarios, the statement must be true. Only then we can consider it as correct, or it is satisfied, or it is valid. Otherwise, it's not. So the second statement and the third statement fails in this scenario. That's why they are not true. So from this, I can say that only statement 1 is true. That's all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.